This video is gonna be pretty simple and pretty fast. I want to document my journey of working on my own stuff. So for that, I want to make YouTube videos kind of every day. So the goal of these videos will mainly be to document my journey and for me to journal what I'm doing. So the goal, like, I don't have a precise goal for each of these videos, so it will not be something that I will do for people, but it will mainly be for me to force myself to like post videos like more often and also to document my journey. So the videos will be like maximum 5 minutes, and I will just tell you about what I'm doing, what I'm working on, and what's going good, what's going not good, what's working, what's not working, and all that stuff. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, to make it very easy for me, this video will be like without almost any editing. So if you're looking for nice made videos like transition, like editing and all that stuff, like you're not in the right place. Like, but if you're looking for insight for someone that's building his own shit, you are at the right place, I think so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I will work on, yes, it could be interesting to know. I think I'm working on too much things right now. So right now my main thing is like my mobile application called Auro, which is an iOS application that allows you to record voice note and to get inside all of it. So if you're interested about this, I will put the link in the description so you can check it out by yourself. And right now what I'm doing is like, if people left me reviews on the store, I give them access to the premium features. So if you do so, don't forget to contact me and ask me, hey Aaron, can I have my premium access? I will be here, yeah, of course, and I will give you your premium access. That's how it works. Anyway, I'm also working on another application which is kind of a secret right now, so I will not talk too much about this. I'm also working on online courses for people that want to learn how to make their own application, learn how to code to make mobile applications, and with that comes some mentorship. So again, if you're interested about this, I will put the link in the description and you can find everything. So yeah, that's everything I'm working on, and yeah, that's a lot. So yeah, that's it. I told you it was pretty fast. My goal is just to make really short videos every day. So yeah, the next videos, yeah, also how it's gonna work. Every day I will put videos of what I've done the day before. So for example, today we are like Monday. I will do some stuff. Actually, I will make this video, I will do some stuff after that, and tomorrow I will make a video to say what I've done yesterday, and I will publish that tomorrow. So every time you will see a video, it will be like what I've done the day before, because I cannot record something on the same day. Like, it doesn't make sense, you see. Like, actually it could make sense, but I don't want to. Like, I could still like choose what I want to do. Okay, thank you. Yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if that's something that could interest you, just let me know. Like this video, comment, let me know what you would like to see. If you have questions, like, yeah, I'm more than open to questions, so put them in the comments. Follow me to not miss the next videos, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. I hope I will this time keep my goal to publish at least once a day, once of each day I'm working. Actually, it's not like, yo, I'm not going to post on Sunday. Don't wait for my videos on Sunday. It's not going to come on Sunday unless I'm working on Saturday, of course. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Nothing else to say. I see you probably tomorrow, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.